मगर ये तो कोई न जाने क्या ये ऑडियो काम करेगा. हेलो नमस्कार थर्ड टाइम.
करेगा करेगा
अरे वाह काम हो गया.
ये काम कर गया ये
My
minute.
God, third time always the charm, Fatoni. Third time always the charm.
Right.
So, Baba Shai, without any further ado, नहीं okay, already delay quite a bit.
हाँ.
But let's see. आप बताओ, you want to chime in?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, thank you very much. Thanks a lot for fixing that technical glitch. And ऐसे बड़े-बड़े शो में ऐसे छोटे-छोटे होते रहते हैं, प्रॉब्लम होते रहते हैं. But anyway, welcome everybody. Where's the other guys? I see all of you.
अरे जो है उन्हीं से काम चल लेंगे आज ना.
Are they in the waiting room?
Yes, सब लोग आ रहे हैं अभी एंट्री मार रहे हैं सब लोग.
या अभी सब लोग जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थीम तो सब ने मतलब बोल दिया. आज का थीम जो है फादर्स डे स्पेशल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सेलिब्रेट दिस फादर डे एंड कंपेयर टू मदर्स डे फादर डे कम ही सेलिब्रेट होता है. सबको ज्यादा इसके बारे में नॉलेज भी नहीं है. बट फादर्स डे ऐसा दिन है जहाँ पे हम लोग we honor to all the fathers out there and shout out to them and we compliment them. And that's what we have this theme today, to show our honor and privilege to them and have some good song singing by our local bandhus. So without further delay, I think we can go to the song or we can go to the first bandhu and welcome him. Raji is here. Raji, welcome to Geet Gata Chal.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. तो आज का थीम जो है फादर्स डे उसके बारे में आज कुछ बोलना चाहोगे कुछ एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक टू शेयर योर मेमोरी
Yes, yeah, Father's Day, very special day, certainly, right? We learned about the Father's Day when we came to America. It was not like in India. My father was very special. I remember him, a lot. And then, he did, he used to travel also quite a bit and then always bring something special whenever he goes out. And then I was one of the loving son. We are a few siblings, but I was the most loving one for him. So we remember him.
वैसे आजकल देखा जाए तो इंडिया में हर कोई सेलिब्रेशन होते रहते हैं एंड स्पेशली फादर डे आल्सो सेलिब्रेशन वहाँ पे धूमधाम से होता है. इंडिया वैसे भी 12.5 आवर्स पहले है राइट. तो दिन पहले हो वहाँ पे पहले हो जाता है. तो फेसबुक में सारे अपडेट आ जाते हैं राइट. तो या डेफिनेटली. तो आज आप कौन सा गाना सुनाने वाले हो हम सबके लिए?
आज मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है एक ओल्ड सॉन्ग दूर गगन की छाव में चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं.
बहुत ही बढ़िया सॉन्ग है. तो हो जाए फिर हम सबके लिए.
राइट ग्रेट.
तो बंधुजान ये है राज जी जो कि एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सॉन्ग इज गोइंग टू डेडिकेट द सॉन्ग टू ऑल द फादर्स आउट देयर. तो हो जाए राजीव.
Can you hear me?
We were able to hear you, but your voice
was it was cutting. We
It was
could
very
not
low.
hear you properly.
Can you hear now?
Yes.
तो गाइए.
फंदा.
हाँ कंटिन्यू सर आप गाना शुरू करिए कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
Okay. Shall I start again or what?
Ha. You can go ahead and get started again if you'd like. And of course, Banujan, for those of you who are listening to us on the radio, this is what we call Let us introduce you. This is called reality radio. When things,
Yeah, reality show.
yeah, when sometimes Murphy's law definitely applies. So let's go ahead and get started again, Raji. Without,
Okay.
yeah, go ahead.
All right. So
You might want to sit closer to your mic because your voice, we could
Yes.
hear everything else clearly except your voice very clearly. That's it. Thank you.
Wow, thank you very much, Raji. Thanks a lot. Beautiful song that you sang. And, थोड़ा बहुत साउंड में तकनीकी दिक्कत थी, but it was came very well. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बुलाते हैं शशि को एंड देखते हैं कि आज के थीम के बारे में उनका क्या कहना है. तो शशि, वेलकम टू गीत गाता चल.
Well, thank you so much, Sapanta. Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Anything you would like to share about your dad or any stories that you want to share?
Yes. About my dad, I can say that when I used to grow up, I was a very inquisitive kid. So I used to ask a lot of questions, and I would ask like anything under the sun. And at some point, he would get quite upset, and he would say, "You know what? I think I have enough." And his favorite line would be, "Chup ho jao, guru." But you know, now that my son literally has the same thing as me of asking so many questions, I really appreciate like how much did my dad have to go through. I am just realizing now from my son, because he's literally like me in terms of being inquisitive, being talkative, and I also get sometimes to the point where I would like to tell him, but that's not my personality, so I've never told him. But now I understand why my dad would say, "Chup ho jao, guru." So you appreciate your parents once you become a parent.
By the way, negative is the new norm. Negative is the new normal today. Now current situation, positive is not at all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't be positive of COVID, right? You got negative of COVID.
Yeah. Oh God.
But you are true. You are right. Actually, today's kids are very smarter than, or smartest, I would say, or smarter than us, because we didn't have all the information that they have today.
That's why
The
they
knowledge
get.
is now is everywhere.
No, I think that's
Only
what,
point, yeah, Aldu Baba.
No, I agree with you, but I also would say that that's one reason why they get bored so fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they know everything.
Yeah.
When we were kids, we were like dumb kids. We didn't know. We had to learn things.
Yeah.
We had to go fall from a tree to understand how we got to get hurt and everything. But our kids know all these things already. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
anyway, coming back to
Sashi, which song you are going to sing tonight?
I'm going to sing Look Chip Jauna from the movie Do Anjane. It's picturized on Amitabh and a child artist. And I dedicate this song to my son because he literally taught me why we go through so many things that we do just to get the one glimpse from the one thing or the one person that's so dear in life. And that's what makes the relationship. So dedicated to all fathers. So it's the song from Do Anjane.
Yeah, ho jaye fir.
Look chip जाओ ना, look chip जाओ ना, ऐसे छुप छुप मुझे सताओ ना, ऐसे छुप मुझे सताओ ना, ओ मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे राजा, ओ मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे राजा, आओ मेरे गले लग जाओ ना, गले आओ ना, लुक छिप जाओ ना, रे आओ ना. देखो फूलों से मैं पूछ लूंगा, देखो फूलों से मैं पूछ लूंगा, सारे भंवरों से मैं पूछ लूंगा, हर कली से पता मैं लगाऊंगा, मेरे मुन्ने की सूरत है ऐसी, परियों के खिलौनों के जैसी, सारी बगियां को मैं बतलाऊंगा, हवाओं से घटाओं से बहारों से कहूंगा, मुन्ने को ढूंढ के लाओ ना, भले आओ ना, लुक छिप जाओ ना रे आओ ना आजा रे मेरी आंखों के तारे आजा रे मेरी आंखों के तारे मेरे प्यारे और आज दुलारे तुम्हें खो के न मैं जी पाऊंगा मेरा जीना तुम्हारे ही दम पे तुम जो बिछड़ गए कहीं हमसे मैं तुम्हारे बिना मर जाऊंगा तुम्हारे ही सहारे तो गुजारे दिन सारे देखो मुझे ऐसे तो रुलाओ ना अले आओ ना लुक छिप जाओ ना लुक छिप जाओ ना वैसे चुप मुझे सताओ ना ओ मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने प्याले प्याले लाजा ओ मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे राज आओ मेरे गले लग जाओ ना अरे आओ मेरे गले लग जाओ ना
Wow. Which movie is the song from?
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Very nice, Shashi.
and this is Guy.
That's me.
Yeah, that's you. Very good.
Ricky.
Yeah, good.
Ricky.
Ricky.
Yes. Ricky.
Good.
You become so big.
Shashi used to sing this song when I was very little, every day.
Oh yes.
He used to show the song.
Hmm.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you very much, Sally. Thanks for very beautiful song.
Later till I go home.
All sang by Kishore. And that's all. Thank you very much. So, आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So,
Ah.
to give the-
Panda, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, doing excellent. Enjoying the
Anything
show.
you'd like to share about Father's Day?
Yeah, so basically, my father loved old Hindi songs, especially he was a big fan of Hemant Kumar songs.
Oh.
So generally, he liked all old Hindi film songs. So,
Okay, any
yes,
memory
sir.
you want to share about your childhood? Anything you would like, you remember?
One thing is, we both had the habit of reading morning newspapers. So we would actually be like doing patrolling of the compound wall to see who'll get as soon as the guy drops a newspaper.
Would you actually split it like you read this
Yes,
section?
we would
and I
split
will-
it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used
Yeah,
to do
very
that
nice.
too.
So-
Yeah.
Which song you're going to sing tonight?
So I'm going to sing a very lovely, sensitive, delicate song, Father Son. It's between Nasiruddin Shah and Jugal Raj Hans Kishore from the movie Masoom.
Okay.
Masoom. Okay.
Yeah, हो जाए फिर.
Acha.
Ganesh, your volume is very low. Whole volume.
आपका
music as well as audio.
music is loud, but your voice is very low. Reduce the music level, please.
जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, बस संभालने जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं, बस संभालने मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के
Wow, very nice. Thank you very much, Ganesh. बीच में थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ था साउंड क्वालिटी, बट फिर से वो साउंड थोड़ा लो था ओवरऑल, बट यू sang वेरी वेल. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बुलाते हैं मेघा जी को, बहुत देर से वेट कर रही है. एंड वेलकम टू गीत गाता चल मेघा जी.
Thank you, Sapanda.
So I heard all the, we heard all the news about your, all the memories that you shared with Falturani about your dad. So thank you very much. for sharing that. And आज कौन सा गाना आप सुनाने वाले हो?
पापा कहते हैं, मैंने दूसरी लाइनें गुनगुनाई थी.
हाँ. तो हो जाए फिर full song हो जाए अभी.
ठीक है. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं. बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं. वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना ये है. कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा. मेरा तो सपना है एक चेहरा, देखो जो उसको झूमे बाहर. मेरा तो सपना है एक चेहरा, देखो जो उसको झूमे बाहर. गालों में खिलती कलियों का मौसम, आंखों में जादू, होठों में प्यार. बंदा एक खूबसूरत काम करेगा, दिल की दुनिया में अपना नाम करेगा. मेरी नजर से देखो तो यारो कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, Megha ji. It's a very beautiful song. And जब मतलब पापा के बारे में जब भी मतलब कुछ बातें बोलना है तो ये song तो जरूर आएगा. So definitely very nice song. So before I go to next person or Ganesh once again, I would like to hear from Altu Baba and Faltu Rani. Anything they would like to share about their parents, about their pita. Altu Baba, you go first.
डैडी मुझसे बोला तो
तो
गलती
गलती-
है मेरी
Exactly what I thought.
तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी साबुन के शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग भाग आलतू भाग आलतू भाग आलतू भाग भाग It's kidding. My dad is awesome. I think if you look at everybody is actually singing the dad's perspective. Nobody's talking about the child's perspective to dad. I think it's only Megha who just sang a child's perspective of a dad.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But I think there's one more nice song which is there, which is very true of my dad. My dad was like a drill master, literally. So that song of Bapu Sehat ke liye. Because my dad used to make us run in the mornings, early mornings.
Oh
literally.
God, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Early morning,
All
5
of
o'clock, 4:30 we used to get up. We're supposed to do homework, and at 5 o'clock we're supposed to go out for a jog, run
तुम
actually.
लोगों को दंगल जैसा ट्रीटमेंट मिला था
और यार लेकिन उस वहाँ पे भी हम लोग बहुत ये लोचा किए हैं because we used to go to run like around 2 blocks and go to hand pump वाले में hand pump
Borewell
बोरवेल वाले
होता था।
बोरवेल
Yeah.
बोरवेल मार के हम लोग पानी को अपने चेहरे पे छिटका के we used to come back and then my dad knew very well. He used to make us do calisthenics afterwards.
Yeah.
Actually, once he caught us red-handed. But dad was very smart, actually. Very big. That's true. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. Yes, we always remember every day we think of him. And yes, that's true. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, anything Faltu Rani?
For me, my dad was literally my rock. Somebody that I can't think of one day that I've heard my dad raise his voice against me.
Oh, wonderful.
Never. Not even one day.
Awesome.
He ever raised his voice against me. No matter what. I mean, he would just...
Hey, let me also clarify here. My dad also was one rock. Like somebody threw it at me, right? A rock which somebody threw at me.
No, in my case, it was just, the best thing was he became my best friend when I was... when I became a teenager, because I was a very hard teenager to handle. So my dad became my friend. So the best part was I would confide in my dad about a lot of things. Unfortunately, I lost him too early. But I still recall every single time. The only thing that I would feel bad about is if my dad ever felt disappointed, and that is if I didn't bring back that first rank or the 99% or the 100%. And he
Really?
got- yeah.
Luckily, I didn't have the issue at all.
Yeah, you didn't have that issue.
Well, one thing I'll tell you, my dad taught me one thing. I'll tell you, generally, kya hota hai, dads ka you remember all the seek they give you, right? So one of the seek he gave me was, my dad taught me how to
Do quadratic equations.
No, most importantly, Father, that doesn't. You don't use that in life, but he taught me something which I learned in life, which he taught me was it's called the prisoner's dilemma.
Yeah.
And he told me this is game theory. He said, like, this is what when you have to when you do business in life. He was a businessman. He said it's all about trust. Yeah. And he said when you trust, the option is whether trust or not trust. He say always pick trust, not trust.
Yeah.
So that's something I always believe. I've always followed in my life, and it's worked out pretty well for me at least.
Yeah.
When you trust somebody, you actually are adding the trust in them to be trustworthy. That's what he had told me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. All these things coming back to mind right now.
Yeah.
But Fatuni, you never disappointed Dad, is it?
No, I did disappoint him.
Once in a
I
while,
did.
once in a while you must disappoint. It's fun.
No, that was the only time that I used to feel really bad. But otherwise, my dad, the most I can't remember one memory where my dad ever raised his voice against me or gave me. I would get punished by my mom a lot. That was there, but my dad was one of those really, really chilled out.
Oh my God,
dudes.
Fatuni, I was equal opportunity. I was to give opportunity to both the parents to punish me. No favoritism there. No. I never gave favoritism. Both of them can punish me. Both of them can let me. That's good.
Okay, are we talking about
Yeah.
you now? No.
No, I'm just you.
What
can
about
talk.
you, Babu Moshai?
Yeah.
What do you want to share about your dad?
Yeah, before I go there, right? So I think we need to hear separately from you guys to know the actual fact or actual thing.
No, but forget
You know
about
what
us.
you're saying.
हम लोग बातें करते रहते हैं always. Like it's fun to listen about other people also. You should definitely share with us.
Yeah, please do, because I generally always post on Father's Day, and it's genuinely heartfelt. What I write typically on my Facebook. So if those of you who are wondering, what is Faltu Rani's Facebook, you'll have to add me on Facebook. Find me.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Well, actually, Fatuni, that's a good thing you post. I also genuinely go like the post of yours.
Yeah. I know. Ha. So, Baba,
Babusha, don't run away. Come on, tell us.
what would you
Yeah,
like to share?
basically, I was not fortunate enough to have my dad for a long time. So he left us when I was a child, actually very little.
Oh.
I don't have much memory, but one thing I remember whenever we used to go to market or anywhere,
Huh.
I always on his top, on his shoulder actually. I never walked while with him. So that's
Awesome.
a memory stuck with me. And always जैसे कंधे के ऊपर चढ़ के हम लोग मतलब हर जगह पे कहीं पे भी हो जाया करते थे. That's what I remember. And my brother also that time 5 months old I believe, so he does not have any memory.
Yeah.
So but yeah, that's a memory I share all the time.
Thank you for sharing with
Yeah,
us.
absolutely. And when they leave us too early, and even I was just barely a teenager when I lost my dad. So they say that every time you feel that you're going through something hard, some hardship in life, you will see how somehow something will lift you up, and that is that spirit. Your dad or your mom, whoever that soul is lifting you up, is what they say. So
But
Yeah, my mom is a strong pillar actually. So when he left,
yeah.
she actually took all the responsibility on her shoulder and helped us to grow. And all the credit goes to my mom. Yeah.
Right,
I
absolutely.
think I couldn't sit on my dad's shoulder. I guess I was a very big child. Yeah, probably.
Altu Mama, stop. Enough.
Okay, go. Let's go. We have Ganesh waiting, ready to go.
Yeah, I'll go ahead.
Ganesh is ready to go. He's like, I want to go.
I want to go. I want to go. I want to go.
Okay, sure. Can you hear the music and the voice?
So we can hear you. Okay, let me tell you before we start off, Ganesh ji, I think your music is coming out very loud and your voice.
Now can you hear? Now my voice is okay.
The music is too loud.
Voice is low. Okay, hold on. Let me increase my voice.
So Badrija, this is reality radio for you guys. We're trying to fix the sound as we go.
Okay, is this better?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay.
What happened?
No.
Music
It was,
stopped.
Yeah,
I was testing.
if you can reduce your music level by 75%, and you can sing normal, it'll come out fine.
Okay. Krishna
Music is very nice.
Oh, didn't hear my voice?
Yeah, we couldn't hear the voice. I think the next time we'll have to see the feed of the audio of your voice going into the system as opposed to system playing thing. But we could only listen to glimpses of your voice. The music is very nice though. Very nice track.
For some reason, the
now
microphone volume keeps going down. Never mind.
Yeah, no, I think it's same thing what happened over here also, right? The new version of Zoom you should download, I suppose, because I had to do the same thing.
Oh, wait. Actually, there's supposed to be an option like turn on original sound or something. So Zoom tries to be too smart.
Yes, it tries to
So,
play with the sound
what should
card.
I
Yeah,
do?
correct. Yeah. So the option.
Right now,
Your option.
should it say turn on original sound or should it say?
Right now is fine. You can do next time.
So you know what we'll do, Ganesh? What we should do? We should actually do a separate Zoom session just to see technically if anybody wants to learn how they can make the sound nice. Not on air, but we can do offline, online Zoom session.
Right.
Where we can learn. Each of us can actually understand how the mixing happens.
Yeah.
So we'll be happy to. I'll be happy to share my inputs also with you guys.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you
Well-
so much. It was a nice song. I like that song a
Thank
lot
you,
actually.
everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining
nice
us.
song, nice
And happy Father's Day to you, Ganeshji.
Happy Father's Day, everybody out
Thank
there.
you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye bye, everybody. Happy Father's Day, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you so
all
much.
Bandhus for your participation. And don't forget to tune in to next week. Next week we'll have 5 to 7 actually. Once again we'll be coming back to the new format, bug mode. And definitely we'll have the theme also declared before that. But don't forget to tune in to our Geet Mala. Abhi 10 minute, kitna आधा घंटा, right?
10-15 मिनट में
30
चालू
minutes
कर
में
देंगे. Yeah, 7:45 we can start.
Yeah.
7:45 we are going to start our
Geet
with
Mala.
our fantastic Geet Mala program. So don't forget to tune in.
Right.
And तब तक के लिए good night, शब ख़ैर and
प्यार
प्यार
भरा.
भरा.
Mwah.